In this video, you will see a very healthy summer drink which is very delicious and good for the kids too. It is loaded with nuts, fruits, sago and much more which you will see further in the video. Before we begin, do subscribe to my channel for more such interesting recipes. So let's get started. Here I have soaked 1 cup of sago in 1 cup of water for 6 hours, after which it has become completely soft. The next step is to cook it. Take the sago pearls in a pan and add enough water till the pearls submerge. It doesn't matter if you add more water as we are going to drain it off later on. Keep stirring and bring to a boil. After 4 to 5 minutes you can see the change in the texture. Cook it till they become translucent. After 6 to 7 minutes turn off the heat and drain the excess water. Rinse with cold water to stop the cooking process. This will also prevent the sago from sticking to each other. Next, take the sago in a big bowl and leave it to cool down completely. Here I have taken 2 tablespoons of sweet basil seeds, that is the sabja seeds. Add enough water to cover the seeds and keep it aside for 2 hours. After 2 hours these sweets will swell up. They are very good in summers as they have body cooling properties and are a good source of calcium, magnesium and iron. Let's keep this aside. And prepare the milk. Here I have taken 500 ml of chilled milk. To add some thickness I am using condensed milk to sweeten it. You can also use sugar. As I like it of mild sweetness, I have added only 100 ml of the condensed milk. Give it a good mix. Here I will take half a bowl of strawberries and will grind it to a paste. This puree will add flavor and color to the milk as I am not going to use any essence or color in this recipe. Add sugar depending upon the sweetness of the strawberries and little milk so that it grinds well as the quantity is very less. And here it is done. Let's assemble the drink now. Take the sago pearls. Here you can see this, they are separate and not in lumps and have cooled down completely. Add the strawberry puree to it, which will add a nice color and flavor to the drink. Then add the soaked basil seeds. I had soaked 2 tablespoons of these seeds and I will add all of these. Here I have taken 1 teaspoon each of tutti frutti, pistachio, cashew nuts and almonds. They will add a nice crunch, so add everything together in. Then add the sweetened milk. The condensed milk has settled down, so mix it well with the milk. Here I have taken my coffee mugs as glasses and will prepare the drink in these glasses. First add the chopped strawberries. With this similar process, you can make a mango drink too. You can use chopped mango and mango puree instead of strawberries. Add in some grapes. Remember to add cold fruits as they taste even better. Next I am going to add the kids' favorite ingredient, so keep watching the video. Here I have set strawberry jelly as per the instructions given on the packet. And so let's add this to the glasses. Add about 2 tablespoons of jelly in each glass. Here I have added jelly in each glass. Now add in the sago strawberry milk. This drink is just superb for the kids and adds a variety in the summers. The kids will love the jelly and the fruits. This is super healthy as it is mildly sweet. You can add honey instead of the condensed milk to make it even more healthier. And a yummy summer cooler is ready. So do try my recipe and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting recipes. Decorate each glass the way you like it and enjoy the yummy drink. Thank you for watching.